Welcome back with another video. In today's video I am going to share a review on the topic of eyeshadow palette of makeup revolution. All the details are mentioned in the back side. As you can see, these are the colors. In this palette you will get 15 beautiful shades. It's come with plastic packaging. Is not the best, but it's pretty good. It closes very tightly, so you don't have to worry about this open if you're gonna travel with them. You can see hand swatches of 4 first colors on my hands. This palette is very perfect for wedding functions. You can see all the swatches on my hands. The colors are very pigmented and bold. In this palette you will get shimmer, matte and dark and light shades. I got this palette from Nykaa. If you want to buy this palette, then check the description box for the link.